Take a look at these stunning images of credit cards. These images are neither any photograph nor any painting. These are the images generated by Bing AI. And today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create such images easily for free. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your browser and type in Bing AI. Select the first option and go through images. Click on Create to get into the interface of Bing AI. Here on the top, you can see the prompt box where you need to provide the text descriptions to generate the image. You can use the prompt in the description box by making some certain change to it, or you can also create your own prompt. For this video, I have prepared a pre-made prompt, so I'm simply going to paste it. And finally tap on Create in order to generate the image. Generating the image may take some certain period of time. Click on the image to view it in larger size. In the first trial, 4 images are generated and to me the results are quite satisfactory. The image is very precise to the description. Now let's try another one by changing the name. So let's go back to the prompt box and change the name. You can use any name and again click on Create to generate the images. And as you can see, as the description changes, the image also changes, and I'm quite impressed with Bing AI. And that is how you can easily create a design of credit card using Bing AI. If you are interested in this sort of content, then make sure to subscribe to Online Help Guide and let me know in the comment box what you think about Bing AI. Thank you for watching.